How is it going, guys? It's Kevin from SubiSpeed. It is April, my birth month, and it's time for a new products video. We're gonna start off with the AWE Fantastic Tip Tonic Exhaust Tip Cleaner. Now, exhaust tips are often skipped when people wash their cars, even though they can get very grimy and nasty and lose the shine they had when you first installed them. So AWE has come out with a solution of their own that is gonna help clean them up. These are obviously gonna be recommended for use with their stainless steel or diamond black tips that come on their Touring Edition or Track Edition exhaust, but you can basically use this on any exhaust as long as it does not have a titanium burnt tip. And this is a great way to get those tips looking like new again. Hopping inside the car, we've got the second product, which is the Skosh Pro Clip Mount, which is actually a pair of products bundled together. We've got the Pro Clip base here that clips onto your A-pillar, and then we have the Skosh magnetic mount, which adheres to the base and allows you to mount either your phone or an access port. Super easy to install, comes with the alcohol pad to clean up your A-pillar. You peel the backing off of the 3M strips on the base, pull down the weather stripping right here, and this clips easily in place like so. Move it to where you want it. Put this back and then peel the backing off of the magnetic mount. Put that on there and you are good to go. Perfect location that is out of the way, doesn't block your vision, and it's super accessible as well. I'm actually gonna be giving this bundle away to one of you guys. All you have to do is comment down below with a video suggestion that you would like to see from us. And that is it. I'll pick a winner, randomly pick a winner in next month's video and announce it in that video. Good luck to everybody that participates. Let's move on to the next one. Moving right along, we've got a couple products from OLM. Starting off with this. This is their half carbon VA style rear diffuser. This is gonna give you a nice aggressive look to the back of your car. Installs super easy with included brackets and hardware. And not only is it gonna look good, it's also going to be functional. So it's gonna decrease the drag and increase your downforce. And if you have other carbon fiber accents around the car like rear spats, a duckbill, side skirts, a front lip, this is going to fit in perfectly. Another part we've got for the back of the car is the paint match JDM style rear splash guards. Some of you guys might be familiar with the OEM JDM splash guards that always seem to be out of stock, so OLM decided to make their own. These come pre-painted to whatever you decide on the website, and they include everything you need to get them bolted right up to the rear bumper. For the front of the car, if you guys are looking for something a little bit different, we've got the carbon fiber upper front bumper cover, which basically sits on the upper portion of the front bumper and introduces a carbon fiber accent. So again, if you guys have other carbon fiber pieces on your car, this might be something you'll want to look into. Last up for OLM, we are back inside the car and we're talking about the S-Line carbon fiber steering wheel covers for the 19 and up WRX and STI with the manual transmission. Now, we've had these before, but not for that model because the steering wheel button layout changes from model to model. So this, if you have a 19 and up WRX and STI with the manual transmission, these are now available for you. If you guys aren't familiar with it, it's basically carbon fiber overlays that go over the steering wheel controls as well as the bottom trim on the steering wheel to add that carbon accent. Really easy to install. You just take off the backing of the 3M on the back of the covers, stick them in place, and that's it. If you guys happen to be fans of IAG, we just added a ton of their apparel to our website. So if you want to pick up some swag, we've got anything ranging from hoodies, t-shirts to hats. Another carbon fiber product we've got for the front end of the car is the Chargespeed bottom line Type 1 front lip for the 2018 and up WRX and STI. Flows really nicely with the new facelift bumper. So if you guys are JDM fanatics and you're looking for a carbon fiber front lip, can't go wrong with Chargespeed. Last up for this month, we've got two new exhausts that we just added to the website. The first one being the PLM V2 axle back muffler deletes. I think the only difference between this and the V1 is the exhaust tips. They are 4 inches instead of the 3.5, so bigger tips. Still available in the titanium blue or the standard stainless steel. Great option if you're just looking for an inexpensive way to make your exhaust louder. If you are looking for even bigger tips, but a more refined exhaust tone, Remark has their R1 spec catback exhaust. This is a full 3-inch exhaust, single exit. It exits out on the passenger side. It has a 4.5-inch tip that is available in either a titanium burnt finish or the standard stainless steel. This is gonna be a great option for those of you who are looking for something a little bit different. And that pretty much wraps it up, guys. If you guys are interested in any of the products that I mentioned, the links are down below. Don't forget to comment down below with any video suggestions to enter into that giveaway for the Skosh Pro Clip mount. And that's it, guys. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.